Hey guys, what's happening? How to link bank account on eBay. So click your avatar icon next to the eBay logo. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here messages, watch lists, and all that stuff. Press selling right here, the last three options. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a few moments. I'm gonna hit list an item. Alright, and on the left hand menu, you can see right here ended, selling preferences, listing templates. I'm gonna hit selling preferences. Right, on the left hand menu again, you're gonna see right here personal info, payment information. Press payment information, hit payment. Right, and then you're gonna of course continue using your own account. Right, I'm gonna continue here. Alright, gonna wait for a few moments, and as you can see right here, I already added bank account in the payments. If you want to add new card or new bank account, just hit plus. Right, you can add cards and account, checkout, auctions, and offers. Just go ahead to the checkout, hit continue. You're gonna go ahead and add your credit or debit card, PayPal, or Venmo. Right, and once you hit it, you're gonna be able to hit save, and now you linked bank account to or on eBay. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.